Important updates buried in your email, critical alerts lost to the inbox, drivers reporting exceptions while office staff scramble to respond. What if all of these communications lived in one place, right where you work? Today, I'll show you how TrashFlow notifications keep your entire business connected and informed without ever leaving TrashFlow. What are TrashFlow notifications? TrashFlow Notifications is your business's improved command center, a single hub where every important message, alert, and update appears right where you need it. TrashFlow notifications are designed to replace scattered communication methods. Instead of checking emails for updates from the TrashFlow team, monitoring Teleroute for driver exceptions, and watching TrashFlow closely for system alerts, everything now flows into one unified notification center within TrashFlow. Here's what TrashFlow notifications do for your operation. First, it eliminates communication chaos. No more email blasts from the TrashFlow team, and no more missed system alerts. Everything appears in TrashFlow right where you're already working. Second, it gives you real-time visibility into driver exceptions from Teleroute. When a driver reports a missed pickup, an overloaded bin, or needs to charge for extra services, you get informed immediately. Third, it provides the option of role-based access control. Your dispatchers see dispatcher notifications. Your billing team sees billing messages, and your admins have full visibility. Everyone gets exactly what they need and nothing they don't. TrashFlow Notifications handles three main types of communications, each serving a distinct purpose within your business. First are system and general notifications. System notifications are automated alerts from TrashFlow's core engine, things like network slowdowns or latency issues. These replace the old alert messages that used to appear at the top of TrashFlow. General notifications are user-level updates sent directly from the TrashFlow team to you. This replaces the emails you receive from us, meaning you get important communications without leaving TrashFlow. Second are Teleroute exceptions notifications. They're triggered when drivers don't pick up trash, when they need to notify the office of an anomaly, or when the customers need to be charged for extra services. Teleroute notifications cover two categories. Exceptions are anything you've entered as an exception within TrashFlow, like extra pickups or additional charges. Route alerts pertain to the route itself, missed stops, skipped stops, trash not out, or pictures of overloaded bins. While both appear in TrashFlow's exceptions processing menu, they're actually two separate things, and now they're organized clearly in notifications. Third are trashbilling.com messages, such as payments on suspended accounts, or individual customer information. Instead of accessing these through the trash billing module, they now appear as notifications, streamlining your workflow between trash billing and TrashFlow. Let's talk about how to manage notifications and control who sees what. By default, a singular login has access to all notifications. No setup required. You only need to configure access control if you want to control which users see which notifications. Your management team can determine who needs to see which notifications. Using access control, you'll set up access by department. Dispatchers see routing alerts. Billing clerks see billing messages, and so on. Here's what's important to understand. Each user has their own access to notifications in their own instance. This means messages will still be seen by all users who have granted access to them. It's not a mark as read system, where one person reading it hides it from others. So how does this change your daily operation? This is where the real efficiency gains appear. All system alerts appear in one place. When TrashFlow experiences network issues or processing delays, you're notified immediately without having to monitor multiple systems. Driver exceptions flow directly to the right people. A missed pickup notification goes straight to dispatch. An extra service charge goes to billing. No phone tag, no lost messages, just immediate awareness where it's needed. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact our tech support team at 800-708-8642. TrashFlow, saving haulers time since 1989.